Summer has come and passed. The innocent can never last.
On my home for all seasons, so come on, let's go. Open your zero, I understand. I love you forever. Don't have to run.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Just see those.
By using small amounts of throttle, the driver is being gentle on his vehicle and, just as important, he's being considerate of the surface on which he is traveling.
Whip it up, all these rocks on my wrist. Bring it back up, cause it's lit. Keep it cool, eyes go for the shit.
Feet may fail and fear surrounds me. You never fail, and you won't start now. So I'll call upon your name. Keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul rest in your embrace, for I am yours and you are mine.
And Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you would call me, and take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
Spirit, lead me where my trust is without borders. Let me walk upon the waters wherever you may call me, and take me deeper than my feet could ever wander, and my faith will be made stronger in the presence of my Savior.
So I will call upon your name.
When the night has come, and the land is dark, and the moon is the only